Hello guys, welcome to iTech Creator. Guys, today in this video I will share with you how to enable text to speech in your MS Word 2016. So guys, let's start the video. Open the MS Word and here go to the click here and more commands and change all commands and then search the speak. Speak. So speak and then add. You can see I am already at speak and then OK. So and then guys select this select the pages and then click here speak selected text. Select the text and then click here speak selected text.
Father of computers.
You can see
Charles
guys, you
Babbage
can
is known
listen.
as the father of computers. Abbreviation of computer. Commonly operated machines
So guys,
used
thank
in
you
technical and
for
educational
watching. Don't
research.
forget to subscribe this channel if you're new in my channel and hit the like and hit also notification bell icon for upcoming more videos.